Hi there and welcome to another Systeme.io tutorial. Today we're going to talk about some simple steps on how you can go about creating a blog on Systeme.io. If you don't already know, Systeme.io is an all-in-one marketing tool. You have a funnel builder, you can build sales funnels, you can build a webinar, you can create your own course. You also have a place where you can build a full email campaign and keep in touch with your email list. And of course, Systeme.io also allows you to build your very own blog. And this is what this video is all about. So before I get started, let's first talk about why it's a great idea to use Systeme.io to create your very own blog. The number one reason why you should use Systeme.io to create a blog, it's free. Even on the free membership, you have the option of creating one blog. And for some business owners, that's more than enough. The second reason is that having a blog on the Systeme.io platform affords you some benefits because you'll be able to integrate some of the other elements along with your blog. So let's just say you've built an entire email sequence within Systeme.io and your blog is now live. Somebody visits your blog and they can opt in from your website, and then once they opt in from your website, then they have access to your email sequence, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. Another reason why it's a good idea to always have a blog is because it's an extension of your brand, it's your hub, and it basically allows you to add more information about your business. People can visit your brand and learn more about your business. And speaking about that, it also gives your audience another way to connect with you. It's another channel where they can keep in touch with you. They can see that you are a legit owner, and it offers transparency. It just overall gives you a good presence within the internet space. And once again, it's also a piece of real estate that you're going to own. And once you start building it up, it does gain value. So, having said that, let's now check how we go about creating a blog on the Systeme.io platform. Okay, so here we are in the Systeme.io platform. As you can see, this is a free account, and this is one of the accounts that I'm just using for demonstration purposes. I just want to show you that on the free plan, you are allowed to build one blog, and that's $0 per month. And if you decide to go on one of the other paid plans, you can build 5 blogs on the startup. On the webinar, you can build 20, and on the unlimited, you have unlimited amount of blogs that you can build. So how do you get started with creating your blog on Systeme.io? You just go here to the top where it says blogs. Now, as you see, I haven't created any blogs as yet. So what you do is just click on the create button, and here you need to give a name for your blog, and automatically they will assign a subdomain name. If you have your very own domain, then there is a way of connecting it with Systeme.io, but I'm not going to show you that in this tutorial, but in future tutorials I will create a video on that. So let's just quickly create a name. Groups, and then you can get to choose some templates, and you can actually preview these templates. So I'm just going to preview this one here. And this is what this template looks like. So let's go ahead and click on save. And once it's saved, it will show up here, success with groups, and you can actually get to see your blog like this. So we're going to do some editing, and I'm just going to show you some tips, and you can go ahead and experiment with yourself. There's also Systeme.io certification course that you can take that will take you through on each aspect of the Systeme.io platform, but I'll talk more about that towards the end of the video. Alright, so one of the most commonly asked questions is, okay, so I've got a blog, but where do I start with first? So I would recommend focus on 3 pages, and the 3 most important pages you should get started first is your About Me page. That's a page that's going to talk more about yourself and your journey, where you were and what got you started into the world of online business or whatever the case it is. Then your Contact Me page. This is where folks want to get hold of you, and you can provide a page where they can keep in touch with you or reach out to you. Your home page is your page, which is normally the first page they see when they enter your URL or your domain name. And sometimes you can have a call to action on your home page. So this allows people to take action if you want to show them in the course that you're offering or the product that you're offering. You want to give a free trial, and this is what your home page is there for. It's basically to showcase what your website is all about, so people have an idea what you have to offer. So I want to show you one of my blogs. This is rupeshkovan.com. This is a blog that I created on another platform. It's currently ranked in Google, so the articles that I write, it does get ranked on Google search engines. But just to give you an idea, this is the home page. I help individuals to start their own profitable online business, even if they have no experience. Then I've got a call to action if they want to start their journey or they want to learn more about what it is that I have to offer. Then I've also got some YouTube links if people want to go ahead and visit my YouTube channel. And then I talk a bit about myself and then more about my number one recommendation. So that's my homepage. Pretty simple and straightforward. My blog roll, this is where all the articles that are published, and you can also do this with Systeme.io. The latest articles that you publish will show first, and it will be like a directory where they can see all the articles that you have published, and they can click on whichever one that they want to read more about. And then it's your About Me page, and this is a page where I tell folks where I've been and what made me come into the online world. And if you notice that I've also got an opt-in there, so if people want to, they can even sign up for my free 5-day affiliate marketing course. There's a free sign up, and they will go into my email list, which is linked with Systeme.io as well. So now you have an idea now of how a blog should work. So let's jump back into our blog in Systeme.io. Okay, so here we are back into our Systeme.io blog. So this is the About Me page, and it says, hi, I'm the author, and this is the language they've got, and that's the picture. So what I'm going to do is, remember I told you earlier on that they have already put in an opt-in on your page, which is really cool because you don't have to do this manually. You just have to set it up to your email list, which is once built within Systeme.io. So once somebody visits your blog and they see your About Me page and they want to join your mailing list or they want to sign up to whatever lead magnet it is that you have, all you have to do is you just have to connect it with Systeme.io. And that I will show you also in another tutorial. Right, so I'm going to use some of the information from my original blog and I'm going to fill it in here. Then I'm going to come back and show you what I've done. Okay, so here we are in the block editor of Systeme.io. Here we're tackling the About Me page. So we're going to put an image here. So we simply click on that image, and here over here on the left hand side you will see there is a number of elements here. So you're going to have to scroll down to where it says image, and there you go, there's an image. So when you click on that, it will ask you upload an image file, and you just click on this arrow. And then I have a number of images already saved in my Systeme.io account, and you'll see there's my image, it's already there, and I just click on insert, and there's my image. Now you'll notice it says here desktop only. That means that when somebody visits your website, that only this section here in red is going to show up on a desktop. If you look here, this is a desktop, and if you look at the mobile, you'll notice that the image is not there. So this is all that will show up in the mobile. And if you want to see the desktop version, they will see this section over here. So now let's edit some text here where it says, hi, I'm author. We'll say, hi, I'm Rupesh. And then here, I'm going to paste some text from my blog over here. Okay, so here I've inserted some text here, over here, and over here I've inserted some text. So you just click on Save Changes, and let's just show you what the desktop version looks like. You just click on that little eye, and that little eye will show you what people are going to see when they visit your blog, your About Me page. So this is what I'm going to say. Hey, I'm Rupesh, I'm a pharmacist and online marketer. There's some story about me, and then I put some story there as well. Then I can also edit the social media icons and of course the mailing list. So that is just to show you how you do your About Me pages. And you do the same basically for the Contact Me pages. And I'll show you what I've done there. And there I just said, let's get talking. And here you can just put some text. I'd like to get to know you if you want to meet up. Or if you want to get to know anything, please feel free to leave a message. And then you just click on submit, and then this section here is where you're going to have to hook it up to your email address, and then your home page. Here at my home page, as you can see, I made it similar to my blog where I put my big picture there. Hi, I'm Rupesh, I help individuals. Then I've got a button over there, best YouTube videos. I only put one YouTube video, I can do the rest there as well. And you can just edit it as you go along. But trust me, the more you get used to it, the more you work on the build-up, the more easier it will be to work on as time goes on. And that's how you simply go about creating your blog on the Systeme.io platform. Okay, so before I leave you, I just want to show you that there is a lot of support if you sign up with the Systeme.io marketing tool, not just for the blog, but I want to just show you they have tutorials on personal finances, how to go about creating a sales funnel, what is email marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing. By the way, Systeme.io has got a really cool affiliate program, even if you promote the Systeme.io software, but there's also products within the Systeme.io marketplace that you can promote and you can earn from that. Then the best digital marketing tools. So these are the various categories where you can get a lot of support and a lot of help, from sales funnels, books for entrepreneur, personal finances, how-to tutorials, and you can actually spend a lot of time here in this section. I also want to show you that if you are a member of the Systeme.io creators group, you also get a lot of information from the creators group as well. As you can see, I've completed the Systeme.io certification course. It's a free course, by the way, and if you want to jump in on that course, I have put a link in the video description. You can sign up for free, and you also just need to get a free account for Systeme.io. You don't have to commit to any of the paid plans to complete the course and to get access to all of the tutorials that I've showed you. Okay, so there you have it. Now you know how to go about creating your blog on Systeme.io. You also know some of the benefits of using the Systeme.io platform. You've also seen that you've got an amazing amount of support if you're ever stuck on what to do. I've also showed you how easy it is to actually create the various different posts and pages within Systeme.io, and you also know that you can get some free certification for Systeme.io marketing tool. So if you haven't yet got your Systeme.io account, I have put a link in the video description where you can get your free account. You can also get access to the certification course. The link is there as well. And I hope that you enjoyed the Systeme.io tutorial. If you want to check out some more of these tutorials that I have, check out my YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that you can be kept up to date on any new content that I've got coming your way. Thanks so much, and I'd like to wish you everything of the best in your online success. Goodbye.